Hey, welcome back to another video. In this series I'm calling the 10 tutorials of Christmas. Today we're going to be talking about how you get on your bike or mount it and what the best way is. So let's get into it. So there are many ways to get on your bike, but I've kind of boiled it down to 3 ways that I always think of. And that is the normal way, the way that you might do if your seat's too high, and the fast way, which you might do if you just got off your bike during a race and you need to get back on as fast as you can. So let's have some examples. So this is what I call the normal way. This is what I call my seat's too high way. And this is what I call the fast and flashy way. So you might be wondering, I understand these are the ways that you do it, but how does that declare which one's better? So I'm gonna figure out which one is better by using a point system. So first is the normal one, which I honestly find to be pretty comfortable and efficient. So I'd say efficiency 8, difficulty 1, because it's literally the easiest thing you could do on a bike, and comfort I'd also say 10 because it's just super easy and comfortable. And next we have the weird one, or really whatever you want to call it, which is where your seat's too high to get on normally, so you just kind of step over your frame and then use the pedals to get up on your seat. Anyways, this one is honestly lacking in every category. So I'd say efficiency 7, difficulty probably 2, and comfort 8, because it's not very comfortable at all or anything like that. And finally, we have the one that I like to call the fast and flashy, which is basically where instead of wrapping your leg around the bike or going over the frame, you wrap your leg around the bike while you started riding, and it's pretty hard and all that, but it's very efficient. So I'd say efficiency 10, difficulty 5, and comfort around 6. But anyways, from everything that I've said so far, the most comfortable one is the normal one, and the most efficient one is the fast and flashy one. And with that information, you can decide for yourself what you want to do. I might make a tutorial on how to do the fast and flashy one later, and no matter what, you don't want to do the weird one. So if you want to learn how to adjust your seat to the perfect height, then click that thing in the top left corner and it will take you to my seat height video. But that's all I have to say for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye!